Hi everyone and welcome to the Easy Drawing Time channel. Today we are going to draw and color Peppa Pig and her family and friends. At first I'm going to draw a big rectangle, then I divide it into 6 small squares like this. I start with Mommy Pig. I draw her eyes, her nose in the shape of her head. Then I draw her smiling mouth, a circle for her cheek and her 2 ears. Now I draw her body with her arm. Let's draw Peppa Pig. I draw her eyes, then her nose and the shape of her head. I draw her mouth in a circle for her cheek. I draw her ears. I draw her body and her arms. Let's draw Daddy Pig. I draw his eyes. He has glasses, so I draw other circles for his glasses. I draw his nose and the shape of his head. I draw his mouth in a circle for his cheek and finally some small lines for his beard. I draw his body. I draw his arms. Let's draw Zoe Zebra. I draw shape of his head, her smile and lines on head. I draw his body to his arms. Let's draw George Pig. I draw his eyes, his nose, and the shape of his head. I draw his mouth in a circle for his cheek. I draw his body. I draw his arms. Emily Elefante. I draw her small eyes, her trunk and the shape of her head. Amazing! I draw her nice ear body and her arms. Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. Let's color Mommy Pig. I color her skin pink. I love my pen. I use light pink for her cheek. Her dress is orange, so I use this marker. Let's color Peppa Pig. For her skin I'm going to use this pink marker. I use light pink for her cheek. I color her dress with red, is Peppa Pig's favorite color. Let's color Daddy Pig. I color his skin with this pink marker. I love my pen. I use light pink for his cheek, light blue for glasses. I color his body with this green color. Let's color Zoe Zebra. I use creamy color for his skin, light pink for his nose, black for the stripe on his face. I color his dress with purple. Let's color George Pig. I used this pink marker for a skin. I color his cheek with light pink. His clothes are blue, so I use this nice blue marker. Let's color Emily Elefante. For his skin I use this gray marker. Her dress is orange, so I use this marker. Good job! Now let's color all the boxes with the colors of the rainbow. Red, orange, yellow, light green, light blue, purple. If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.